Dear students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to calculate the slab reinforcement BBS. Before starting this slab reinforcement BBS, I want to explain what are the reinforcements are coming in this slab area and how to mark all those reinforcement and how to take for the calculation. Come, before starting this video, I am requesting all of you to, whoever is not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and select all. Then only you will get my new videos immediately. Come, we'll start the videos. This is the podium slab shuttering layout. In this we are having the all slab mentioned over here, S1, S2, S3 like that, and these are all the slab details which is given for the S1, S2 and S3 is for the slab thickness and all, and we are having a separate drawings for the slab reinforcement. For that slab reinforcement we are having, in this you will see all these reinforcement details. This is the ground floor or podium slab bottom mat X direction, and ground floor slab bottom mat Y direction, and ground floor slab top mat X direction, and ground floor slab top mat Y direction. You see all the drawings have been opened over here. I am going to, this is the shuttering layout, this is the bottom mat X direction. So in this I am going to explain first this podium level BBS. These are the highlighted area is our podium slab area. I am going to explain first this podium slab reinforcement detail. You see, this is the highlighted portion. I am removing this highlighted to explain. This is the bottom slab reinforcement in the X direction. You means wherever they are taking this horizontal distance. So this horizontal distance is called as X direction. You see, in this every slab horizontal reinforcement details are given here. You see, this is the slab area here, T10 at 225 center to center, it is mentioned over here. In the next slab again you see from this slab here to here, T10 at 225, like this each and every slab and each and every panel, this bottom mat X direction is mentioned over here. So according to this we have to take the BBS, you have to take the measurement of these rods and you have to tabulate in the Excel sheet. So taking the measurement and tabulating in the Excel sheets and all, I will explain in the next video. So this is the bottom mat X direction, and similarly this is the bottom mat Y direction. This is also as similarly for the podium slab area is marked over here. I am deleting that highlight. So this is the same, you see, this is the Y direction, T10 at 225 center to center, like that each and every panel the respective spacing respective as per the design spacing is mentioned over here for all the panels. This is the Y direction reinforcement. Similarly next, this is the top mat, this is the top mat X direction. You see, wherever the reinforcement is required on the beam top, this is the top mat X direction is mentioned over here. These are all the top rods. Similarly this is the Y direction, this is the another direction wherever the steels are required on the beam top in the Y direction. So all the Y direction reinforcements are mentioned over here for all the areas. So these are the 4 drawings is required to calculate the one slab reinforcement. So we need to read 4 drawings to calculate the BBS for this podium slab or tower slab, whatever it is there. Though for the slab reinforcement we need to read 4 drawings to calculate the reinforcement BBS. If anybody wants this drawing for your practice, please contact to this number or email ID. I will share with you this drawing for your practice as well as Excel sheet also if you required. I hope you people have liked this video. Kindly like and share with your friends and colleagues. If you have any comments, please comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.